Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has reacted to that trend line I showed you yesterday. Here, okay, so we have a reaction to the trend line, and if this is indeed a fourth wave of that wave degree, it was quite aggressive, quite high. I will not rule out that we have completed a smaller degree wave 4 as per the last update. As you might remember from the last updates, there are two patterns I'm watching. The first pattern is that this here is the smaller degree fourth wave, which should have completed then, and it just reacted to the trend line, and then we are now starting wave 5 to the downside, in which the price should reach 3,126 roughly, okay, or at least one more low in wave C of a larger third wave. Then we should start a larger fourth wave afterwards, and then the fifth wave. However, because of the extent of this rally from the Monday low, I'm considering, and I'm doing that on the Bitcoin chart as well, I'm watching for that actually primarily because of the extent of it. And this is only a 3-wave move, however, so it could easily be a wave 4. It's not like a proper long trade setup, at least not by Elliott wave. This could just be an ABC in a larger fourth wave. So it could easily do that. Okay, it could easily do that. So what do we need to watch out for? First of all, I would pay attention to an upside breakout of the trend line. So if we see an upside breakout of the trend line, then I would say that this is probably the start, or at least it indicates the start of wave C to the upside. Wave C or 4. And if it's wave C or 4 to the upside, then it should reach the upper resistance area that we already talked about yesterday. It hasn't changed. It's between 3,470 and 3,622 USD. And this would be for a larger fourth wave. I have to say, structurally, I prefer one more low in wave 5 of C of 3. But this fourth wave is a little bit too aggressive to be a reliable wave 4. We'll see. We'll see. I would not be surprised if it breaks below 3,278. But that would indicate that this is wave 5 of C of 3. But then we should get a larger fourth afterwards. Or we do the fourth now and just get one more low. Either way, I don't think, at least it doesn't look as if the overall correction is finished. So what are the patterns or the parameters I'm watching for today? Just clearly outlined here. We've got this as a support zone, which can be watched. The price should test it as it looks right now. It's between 3,355 and 3,278. Any sustained break below the support zone will indicate that we are traveling towards 3,126. This is the direct path down, short-term bearish. And short-term bullish would be, okay, possibly also going down a little bit in a B wave in yellow, but then trying to break above the trend line. If we see a break above the red trend line, it would be a clearer indication for the yellow, let's say larger ABC, that we're already in the larger fourth wave. Then pay attention to the trend line, pay attention to previous swing high resistance at around 3,427. And also we could reach here the next trend line. So there could be some resistance in this region, maybe even reaching that fib resistance area. I think these are all the parameters that we need to watch for today. Overall, clearly corrective price action, nothing directly bullish yet. And the last opportunities that Ether had to break out directly to the upside, well, they weren't used. So therefore, still expected that this correction needs a little bit more time. If anything changes, I will of course let you know. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.